Describe a sports program you like to watch. You should say what it is called, who you usually watch it with, when and where you usually watch it, and explain why you enjoy watching this sports program. I'm a strong sports lover from my childhood. I engage myself different types of sports, and I also watch all kinds of sports like football, cricket, basketball, volleyball, and so on. But cricket is my most favorite. Today I would like to talk about one sports program which is related cricket, and this cricket program name is on-field cricket explanation with Sami, and this program is really popular in our country, and most of the people of our country try to explore this program. By this program, Sami try to invite legendary cricket player in our country. They share their dressing room stories, and they also share their struggles also, Sami also try to conduct with the experienced cricket coach. They try to explain how to become the good player, and he also throw a program in the local part of our country, and also try to find the new cricketer, and it will be very fruitful for our cricket board. And this anchor explanation is really crystal clear, and this program is really effective for those types of people who don't have any clear concept. They can take clear concept from this program, and that's why I also love and like to explore this program. And most of the time I stay in the library, that's why I don't have enough time, but in fixed time at 9 p.m. I notice and I watch this program with my brother, and this program is really funny and give me most of the time entertainment. That's why I watch these programs.